It's a new day. It's a new life. Nah, but seriously today, we got a brand new day today. A whole day ahead of us. I'm gonna take some cooking classes today. Like an hour. Hopefully I can record that. I'm about to go look for some fruits. The streets are packed right now. I'm walking down Do Fong Toi. Don't know what's going on. I'm looking for some fruit right now. Hey, Nah, there is a lot going on right now. Like, what? There's too much going on right now. I don't know. Oh, actually, I got the right of way to cross the street. Hey, we made it though. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm on my way to my cooking class with Ani.
Hello.
Hey, she's my teacher today.
No, I'm not the teacher.
You're not my teacher today?
You are the chef.
I am the chef.
I'm your helper.
And she's my helper today. So we're chefing it up today. We're about to go to the market, get some spices, get some herbs, everything that we need to cook today.
When we are buying something here, you can.
Getting herbs.
No herbs, no Vietnamese cooking. So we use a lot of herbs here.
Without
Mint.
herbs, it's not Vietnamese.
Yeah, mint.
Alright.
You can come closer.
I love mint.
Mint and cilantro. You can use for your salad. And here is lemon mix or lemon balm. We'll create this thing for the salad. Really fast. And next, looks similar, right? Green and purple. This one is perilla or shiso leaf. Shiso, they serve this one with sushi in Japan. But here in Vietnam, you can use this one with the barbecue and lamb.
Okay.
The taste of perilla is much stronger than meat, like the fish, pork, beef. When we cook the meat, we like
And what's this called?
hot mint.
Hot mint?
Hot mint, Vietnamese mint or laksa. In Cambodia or Singapore,
Laksa.
Malaysia, they call it laksa. In curry, they put that one.
Okay.
Mua mấy cái mùi tàu. Yeah. And this one for our phở today. In the phở, you have basil. You can feel the smell of basil. Here, very small basil, right?
Yeah.
And Vietnamese basil, not Thai basil. And you only find Vietnamese basil in the north of Vietnam. And this one is culantro, stronger than cilantro.
Culantro.
Culantro is popular in Southeast Asia.
I like this a lot actually.
Yeah. And in South America, you can try this one.
Culantro.
Culantro.
I like that.
Here in Vietnam, we like culantro in the phở. For strong flavor.
Me too.
Yeah.
They have everything everywhere. Getting prawns for Vietnam.
That was it, they're jumping inside.
Now we're on to the meats. We're at Rose Kitchen right now, and we're about to chef it up. It's a whole kitchen right now. I'm in a whole restaurant. I'm about to cook whole meals. There was dogs at the market, like cooked, and I did not want to be that guy to just whip out the camera and be like, hey, look, there's cooked dogs at the, you know, like, no, I'm respecting everybody's culture, respecting everybody's way of life. I'm just not gonna whip out a camera and be like, yo.
The shallot and ginger. Why we burn it like this? The fire can help you to bring all aroma and extract inside come out. So this is a small tip when you want to make a broth. You can burn your ginger, garlic, or onions a little bit to make better smell.
Now this is a real tip because I've never seen ginger on fire before.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are roasting some spices.
And then cover.
It's already smelling like butter.
Half liter of water inside, and you cover all the corns and so be careful if your finger touch this part, you burn your hands. After that you have to remove the seeds. but actually you remove this part, not the seed.
The papaya salad.
Hỏi lại thôi để xin cái bát con nữa.
Look at all these spring rolls we made.
Usually do double fry.
Double fry?
Yes,
Oh, for maximum crispiness?
that's right. So nicer color. Stir slightly like this, or they can stick together.
Bro, the way I crashed out and fell asleep after that food was crazy. My next movement is night train to Sapa. So until then, I'm gonna get in touch with you guys.